What if I told you that you don't need grammar rules, you don't need memorization, and you don't need confidence to start speaking English naturally? In the next few minutes, you'll train your mouth with real English sentences that native speakers use every single day. And by the end of this video, your English will feel smoother, faster, and more automatic.
Hi, I am glad you're here. Today, I am not teaching you English. I am just going to live my day with you in English, and you will speak with me. Not loudly, not perfectly, just naturally. You don't need to understand everything. You don't need to remember everything. All you need to do is this: listen to me, then repeat softly after me. Copy my rhythm. Copy my pace. That's it. Your mouth will learn. Your brain will follow later. Okay, let's start with the morning. Just listen first, then repeat with me. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. The alarm clock rings beside my bed. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting up. First, I drink a glass of cold water. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. I wash my face with warm water and soap. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. I comb my hair and make it look neat. I put on comfortable clothes for the morning. I make my bed before leaving the room. Good. If that felt slow, that's perfect. Slow is how your brain learns. Let's keep going. No rush. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. I make eggs and toast for breakfast. I eat breakfast while checking my phone. I drink coffee and orange juice. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. I choose my clothes for work carefully. I put on my favorite shirt and pants. I check the weather forecast on my phone. I pack my lunch in a small container. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone. Take a breath. You're doing better than you think. If you missed words, that's okay. If you feel slow, that's normal. You're not failing. You're training. All right, let's finish this part of the day. I leave my house at 8:30 sharp. I walk to the bus stop near my home. I wait for the bus to arrive. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. I arrive at my office around 9:15. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. I check my emails and make a to-do list. I attend a few important meetings. During lunch break, I eat in the cafeteria. I work on my computer until 5 o'clock. Stop for a moment. You just spoke real English. Not textbook English, not exam English, daily life English. This is how fluency starts. Quietly. When you repeat sentences like this, your brain stops panicking. It starts recognizing patterns. And one day, without warning, you will say a sentence and think, "Oh, that felt easy. That's progress." This was just the first part of the day. In the next episode, we will continue with the evening, relaxing, resting, real life. If you want to keep going with me, you can subscribe. No pressure. If you want to practice a little more, write this sentence in the comments. I leave my house at _sharp. Just your real time, that's all. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep being patient with yourself. You're not late, you're not bad at English. You are learning. I will see you in the next part. Take care.